Hi, so this is a tutorial on how to create a crawling wallpaper, like when you want to have an image crawling across the screen over and over again. So, and we're now in the editor, and we're gonna press new. Choose a wallpaper of your liking. There are some that work really well, others don't. But if you want to create a crawling wallpaper, you probably already have one in mind. So let's just name it crawling. Nice, nice. Okay. So here we have our image. And then we have to select our wallpaper and choose an effect. And it's this one. So I have my wallpaper engine in German, but you can see the graphic that's playing, so you can choose this one. Alright, so now the image will scroll around the screen in the default direction, but we don't want that. For example, we want it to scroll. Yes, now you see it's just going from right to left. And of course we have to reduce. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, so you have to set one on 0 and the other one on whatever speed you want to have it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you want it to go up and down, you can do it like this. So yeah, you're welcome.